Zoom class before, it couldn't be easier. If you're going to watch it on a device, you need to download the Zoom app. If you're watching on a desktop, you can also download the app there. You don't have to sign up for an account. You don't have to enter your email and do anything. Just wait for the email with the link from your guild, click on it, and it will ask you to allow your device to open Zoom. You do have to say, yes, I allow you to open Zoom. And then sit back, relax, and enjoy your class. It's a good idea to keep that email open and handy. If for some reason you get booted out of class, you can just go to the email and click the link again. So we're in the middle of class, we're talking to each other, you're logged in on one device. What happens, sometimes you actually do need to log in on two devices. I have students all the time who log in to view the course on the biggest screen they have, but that screen might not have a webcam. So they can see you, but you can't see them. So they'll log in on a second device that they can carry around and that they can hear, or that you can interact on that device. But there's a problem that happens when you have two devices logged in at the same time.
Hi, can you hear me now? Hi, can you hear me now? Hi, can you hear me now?
What?
The problem. Okay, let me fix the problem. It's great if you have two devices, you can get two views in a class. The problem is when you've got audio working on both devices, that will never work. You will get that crazy echo, which is not desirable. So what you want to remember to do is when you sign in with two devices, only have the audio work on one of them. So right now, my laptop has the audio working. When I sign in to the Zoom, I will get a couple options. I'm launching. You can see no audio is at the bottom. That's what you want. No audio on the second device. That way I will have two views and only one audio. Highly recommended.
What do I love about Zoom? I set the thermostat.
Did you know Global Quilt Connection is on social media? If you follow us on Facebook and on Instagram, you'll get all kinds of tips and tricks for getting the most out of Zoom. Use them for yourself or share them with your guild.